Hey guys, Tia here, and today I'm just going to upload some footage from the other day where I did try to attempt to rebuild this. It's completely broken now, so this video is kind of completely a fail, but I had nothing really else I wanted to upload today because I am sick and I don't want to do anything. So I will see you guys tomorrow when I feel a little bit better, hopefully, and yes, thank you. Oh, fuck. So, I hope you enjoy this video and get a lot of laughs out of it because it is in no way serious. Alright, bye. Also, I was going to do a new juice flavor review today, but as I am sick and I cannot breathe through my nose, there is no way I could do a juice review because I will not be able to taste anything, so I will get to that stuff later on this week. Oh, here's the gross wicks and wire. Here it is. And here is the pre-wrapped thing that it came with. So all I'm trying to do is put it back because that other quill, I broke it. So I've got both of these open so I can wrap the wire around them when it comes time for that. This is so ridiculous. And this wire is a little long, so I'm gonna get something to cut it with, and also the wicks are a little long, so I'm gonna cut those once I guess I'll cut them now. So I cut off the extra wicks because I really don't need wicks that long. Let me go get something to cut the wire with. So all I have is these because I am not a rebuilder and I'm not prepared and I don't even really know what I'm doing. So basically I'm just going to try to make it the way I saw it that it came with, and the coil was on this side with this thing. I don't even know what it is. But anyways, so the first thing, so I guess I'm gonna thread these wires through. One is longer than the other. If that actually means something, will someone please tell me? Okay, so they're both through. That looks awful. You guys, this is gonna be a horribly failed video. I mean, that's the coil that it came with. Look how not pretty that is. But whatever. I'm not looking for criticism. I'm just trying to get this thing to work again. And then I saw that these were up and wrapped around the posts, but I'm gonna cut these because they're super long. I don't even know if I should be doing this, but or if I accidentally cut them too short. Okay, so they're cut, and now I'm going to attempt to wrap them around the little posts.
I don't even know if the number of wraps around the post is important, but okay, so I wrapped that first one around the post and twisted it down. I'm going to do the same with this second one, and that noise is my dog chewing on her bones, so okay. If someone could tell me if it's important about how many times around that this wire is wrapped on the post, and if it's important, that would be great. And I'm not even sure if these are supposed to be tight or not, but I'm using this to squeeze them down. Maybe they're not even supposed to be tight. And that's it. That's really all that is to this little tiny thing that I got. And I know that I could probably make the coil better with more practice. I mean, I didn't make that coil. It's the way it came. And I don't have anything really, like, I just don't know what I'm doing. So this is as good as it's gonna get for me. So I guess I will put it on my MVP and check the ohms. I doubt we're going to have much success. Again, I'm not looking for any criticism. I know this is probably the shittiest build video that you will ever watch, but it's my very first time even trying and attempting to do this, and I am not an electrician. I just vape because I don't want to smoke cigarettes. Alright, here goes absolutely nothing. No way. You guys see, it's attached. And it says 1.8. I cannot believe that. But that's weird because this kit that I got from Totally Wicked said that this coil is a 2 ohm to 2.2 ohm coil. But I guess I will drip on it and we'll find out. I feel like this is a lot of wicks. Alright. So what's the next step? Please don't explode. That's not good. That's not good. You guys, that's not good. I'm taking this thing off. Okay guys, so I have this attached and I'm pretty sure it was a fail because the ohms were kept changing, but now it says that it's 1.9 ohms and it's firing. Here. But I am afraid to try it. I mean, you can see when I fire it that it heats up. It never used to do that. Alright, so I'm going to give it a try.
and it has a horrible burnt taste.
Alright, well that is the end of my dripper because I do not know how to fix it and I'm not going to bother fixing it. I guess I will just buy another one. Thanks for watching this super failed video, and I hope you continue to watch my videos because they won't be like this. Okay, bye.